Physical vibrations are constantly present around us, resulting from sources such as a train rumbling in the distance. These vibrations interfere with highly sensitive manufacturing and research operations. TMC has a solution to control this vibration to protect precision instruments. Vibration from people walking near equipment, construction, machinery within your own building, and street traffic all create vibration with different frequencies. Lower frequency noise, like those caused by walking, disrupt stability and obscure results. Stronger vibration, like a jackhammer during construction, can halt operations without countermeasures. TMC has a suite of active and passive solutions to address vibration across a wide frequency range. Vibration isolation technologies are available to help facilities managers to counteract the detrimental effects of vibration on precision processes. To overcome environmental vibration, work with an expert vibration isolation partner like TMC. For 60 years, TMC has designed and manufactured state-of-the-art vibration isolation systems for precision industries. For more information or to speak with an expert today, visit us at www.techmfg.com.